Welcome to another tutorial. Today we will learn how to export transparent background video in After Effects. Here, go to the new composition. Make HD settings with 29.97 frames per second. Here in this composition we are going to make a text layer. Now type text whatever you want. I am typing my channel name. Now make it to the center. Now text layer selected, go to Effects and Presets and add any text animation. I have added animation of my choice. You can add any animation whatever you want. Check it out, the animation is added on the text. Select the composition, go to Composition and add to Render Queue. Now it's time to render or export this video in transparent background. Name the video whatever you want. Now click on the lossless, near to output module. Here we are making some changes to render this video in transparent background. First go to the format and change it to the QuickTime, and make channels to RGB plus alpha. Now click OK, and render this video. We have got 100% transparent background video. Let's check it out. Import any other video to check the transparency. Here the video we render it, import it too. Now drag the transparent video layer above the second video. It looks perfect. We had learned today in this tutorial how to render the video in transparent background. And the results in front of you. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Like, share and comments for more tutorials you want to learn. I need your support. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel. And comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.